In this video, you'll learn how to use Tripp Lite's Mass Updater tool to upgrade firmware on an SNMPWEBCARD. The first step is to go to Tripp Lite's website at www.tripplite.com. On the home page, type SNMPWEBCARD into the search bar at the top. Click Enter, then select the product page for the SNMPWEBCARD. On the right side of the product page, underneath the product description, click Firmware. This will open up a smaller window with a button that will allow you to download the firmware files. Enter your email address into this field at the top, click Download Firmware, and save the zipped folder of files to your desktop. The next step is to go to your desktop and extract the files from the zipped folder. Right-click on the zipped folder and select Extract Here. This will create an unzipped folder just below the zipped folder. Now open the unzipped folder. Before continuing with this video, open the document called README First Release Notes, then read the entire document and confirm that your WebCard is compatible with the latest firmware version. After you've confirmed that your WebCard is compatible with the latest firmware version, go into the Utility folder in the SNMPWEBCARD folder and open the document called Mass Updater Instructions. All of the steps for this procedure are listed under the Instructions for Use header about halfway down the page. Don't worry about reading the document now. This video will walk you through the steps. First, copy the version 12.06.0065 folder onto your desktop. To find that folder, go back into that unzipped SNMPWEBCARD folder and open the folder called Firmware. Next, copy the massupdate.exe file to your desktop. This file is located in the same folder where you found the instructions document, the Utility folder. After you've copied the file to your desktop, double-click to open it. In the window that pops up, you're going to map the Mass Updater tool to the location of the firmware files. Over here on the right, click Browse. Then find the folder called version 12.06.0065. Select the folder and click OK at the bottom of the window. So now the Mass Updater tool knows the correct path to the firmware files. The great thing about this tool is that it automatically knows which files to use to upgrade your firmware. Now it's time to tell the Mass Updater tool which SNMPWEBCARD you need to update. Click Add Device at the bottom of the window and enter the IP address of the WebCard. You can also enter a range of IP addresses if you need to update more than one card at a time. If your SNMPWEBCARD requires login credentials that are different from the default login credentials, click the Add Credential button and enter them into the next window. Otherwise, if you have not changed the login credentials for your SNMPWEBCARD, click OK at the bottom of the window. At this point, you'll notice that the IP address of the SNMPWEBCARD has been added to the list of target devices, and you're ready to continue with the update. Click Update at the bottom of the window, then click Start. The update should take around 15 minutes to complete, and you can track the progress in this window. But after the update is complete, you'll need to wait another 5 to 10 minutes for the SNMPWEBCARD to reboot. After you've given the card enough time to reboot, you can close the Mass Updater tool. Now it's time to access the card online and make sure the firmware upgrade was successful. Before accessing it though, it's important to clear your Java cache to ensure that you download the latest version of the Java applet. To do this, go into your computer's control panel. Click Java, open the General tab, go into Settings, and click Delete Files. Make sure you check all 3 file types on this list. After you've checked all 3 file types, click OK, click OK again, then click OK one final time. After you've cleared your Java cache, open up a web browser. Then go to the IP address of the SNMP web card and log in. After you log in, go into the Help section of Power Alert and confirm that you're running the latest firmware version. In this case, you can see that the SNMP web card is now running version 12.06.0065, so you know that the upgrade was successful. Thank you for your interest in Tripp Lite products.